Are you tired of spending hours writing blog posts, struggling with writer's block, or taking months to finish your book? What if I told you there are free AI tools that can help you write faster, edit better, and publish smarter, all in minutes, not months? Stay with me, because in this video, I'm revealing 10 free AI tools every writer, blogger, and author should be using in 2025. And I'll show you exactly how to use them step by step. If you've ever wished you could clone your writing brain, this is the next best thing. Tool 1, ChatGPT, free plan available. Writer's block, gone. Use ChatGPT to generate story ideas, blog post topics, and book outlines in seconds. Example prompt. Give me 10 unique blog post ideas about personal finance for beginners in 2025. Boom! In 5 seconds, you'll have a month's worth of content ideas. Tool 2, Perplexity AI. Unlike Google, Perplexity AI gives you instant research-backed answers, perfect for nonfiction writers and bloggers. Example. Summarize the top 5 trends in digital marketing for 2025. It even cites sources, so you can fact-check instantly. Tool 3, Jasper AI, free trial. Jasper is like having a co-writer on steroids. Write SEO-optimized blogs, generate engaging book descriptions, craft sales copy that converts. Bloggers using Jasper report writing 5 times faster and growing traffic by up to 230%. Tool 4, Pseudowrite, free trial. Calling all fiction authors, this one's for you. Pseudowrite helps you generate dialogue, build character backstories, expand scenes effortlessly. Example, give Pseudowrite 1 sentence to it, writes an entire immersive scene. Now let us consider AI for editing and polishing. Tool 5, Grammarly, free. AI-powered proofreading that catches everything from typos to tone mismatches. Perfect for authors prepping manuscripts or bloggers publishing daily content. Tool 6, Hemingway Editor, free web tool. Want your writing to be clear and punchy? Hemingway highlights. Complex sentences. Overused adverbs. Passive voice. Your writing instantly becomes easier to read, which boosts SEO. Section 4, AI for visuals and design. Tool 7, Canva AI. Bloggers and authors, stop paying designers. Use Canva's AI tools to design book covers, create Pinterest pins, make Instagram carousels, build YouTube thumbnails that get clicks. Tool 8, Midjourney, divided by Leonardo AI, free tiers available. For visual storytelling, these tools generate cinematic images from simple text prompts, perfect for book illustrations, cover art, scene inspiration. Section 5, AI for SEO and publishing. Tool 9, Surfer SEO, free trial. Want your blogs to rank on Google? Use Surfer SEO to analyze top-performing content. Find keywords you can rank for. Optimize headings and structure. Writers using Surfer see traffic increases of up to 300% in 60 days. Tool 10, Scribe AI. Turning long-form content into bite-sized posts is now automatic. Convert ebooks into social media content. Repurpose blogs into LinkedIn posts. Create Twitter threads instantly. This means one book equals 50+ content pieces. Bonus tool, Claude AI. Think ChatGPT, but with a 10 times larger context window. This is a game changer for analyzing 50,000-word manuscripts, summarizing research papers, drafting complex blog posts in minutes. Writers, bloggers, authors, the future is here. With these 10 free AI tools, you can write 5 times faster, publish more content, earn more income. I've put together a free AI Writers Toolkit with all these tools, plus bonus prompts to get you started. Grab it now, links in the description. And don't forget to subscribe, because I'll be dropping a step-by-step guide on how to write an entire ebook using AI in just 1 day.